Hey everybody, this is a quick guide on how to drive an automatic car. Driving can be both scary and fun. In this video, I'm going over some basics so that by the end, you will have more confidence in yourself, and I'm sure you will be excited for your new journey in life. I will cover how to start your car simply and start moving forward, how to turn correctly, how to brake, and most importantly, how to overcome your fears and enjoy your ride. I remember the unforgettable moment when I first started driving and the joy of taking my friends for their first spin together. Your first step is to get into the car and adjust the seat for your comfort. I usually adjust mine to about 110 degrees, but adjust according to your preference. It is critical to position the seat so you can easily reach the brake and gas pedals. Grab the key for the car and before starting, make sure to hold the brakes. Some vehicles have regular key, while others have push start button. After starting the car, press the brake pedal a few times to get used to its feel. Remember, in automatic vehicle, only use your right foot for brakes and gas. Keep your left foot to the side. Do not brake with it. Next step is to press gas pedal slowly. Don't floor it. Look at the tachometer and try to keep it around 1500 RPM. Let me know in the comments below if it was easy for you to maintain this 1500 RPM. Next, familiarize yourself with location of the turn signal switch. It is essential for indicating when you are turning left or right. Then adjust your mirrors so you can see the upcoming traffic behind you. Now buckle up, and if you feel ready, hold the brakes and shift into the drive. Okay guys, remember, don't rush, relax, and everything will be okay. Slowly release the brake pedal. Remember, when you are starting, slow is your friend. After you completely release the brake pedal, the vehicle will start moving forward slowly. Then, softly press the gas pedal. It is best to practice driving where there are fewer cars around when you're learning. You will feel more comfortable that way. In the beginning, if you see driver behind you, you might feel pressure. Remember, don't rush, let them pass you, and then get back on the road. Look at both sides before approaching the road. Be safe. You don't have to rush or go fast when you are learning how to drive. Patience is the key to success and becoming more skillful driver. When driving and you see an obstacle ahead, don't slam the brakes. You can create more fear and anxiety. Press the brake very hard only if necessary, which rarely happens, especially if you are paying attention to the road and not speeding. When turning left or right, look at both sides. Let the upcoming traffic go, and then slowly start rolling forward. I hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.